folks, this is your channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called fried scramble eggs with collard green, and the Chinese name called 蔬菜炒鸡蛋. And the main ingredient we need 4 eggs, 4 whole egg, 2 scallion, and 3 collard greens, and those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the scallion. The scallion already washed it, peel the dead skin, and right now we just cut the roots off. Then we just cut it small, as small as possible, probably just this big. This is cutting the cake. Okay, we cut the collard green. The collard green, the stem is very hard, so we just use the leaves. The leaves, and this much part we don't want it. We throw it because it's hard. So we just cut it, peel the leaves, and just those part. Leave some stem, but the big one we will throw it because it's too hard. If you not fry, you just stew or just boil it, it's okay, it's no problem. Okay, we just cut it, those we throw it. Now we just cut the leaves, and those part is too hard to chew unless you boil it, just fry it, so we won't want it. So we cut it like we cut the cube as small as possible. So just cut it like this, don't cut too big. So those are collard greens we get. And we crack the eggs. You need 4 eggs. If you want more eggs or you don't want this much eggs, it's up to you. You can decide how many eggs you want to use. Because I use 4 eggs. Just crack it in. This is a plain salt. We add a pinch to it. Don't add too much or it'll be salty. This is a black pepper. We add a pinch of black pepper to it. Don't add too much. Now we mix it. You can use a mixer to mix it, it's up to you. Okay, this egg is done. It's all mixed well. Turn the stove. Half air. When the pot is hot, add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. Don't add too much. And rinse the pot. When the oil is hot, how do you know the oil is hot? You can drop in the eggs into it. If the eggs start frying, that means the oil is ready. Right now we just add the egg to it. Right now. Leave the bowl here. We put when the eggs done, we put it back to this pot, this bowl. slowly fry until the egg is fully cooked. So the egg won't have that raw tasty. So this all the egg is done. Put the egg into the bowl. Turn the stove. Medium fire. And the pot already hot, so we add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil to it. Don't add too much. And rinse the pot. Okay, we add a piece of the scallion. The oil is already ready, hot enough. Start frying. Add the scallion. Slowly fry until the scallion releases good smell. We don't need to burn the scallion. Okay, when scallion releases good smell, this is a collard green we added to it. And fry. When the pot is too hot, and move the pot away from or above the stove, so the pot won't too hot. So don't just leave the pot on. If the pot too hot, you can do just move it. This is black pepper. We add a pinch of black pepper to it. Don't add too much. This is the soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce to it. Don't add too much. 1 teaspoon. Then slowly fry until the kill is fully cooked. This is a plain salt. We just add a pinch of plain salt to it. Don't add too much because the egg already has salt. If it's too hot, and move the pot up. Okay, you can see the kills. Yeah, you can see the kills and cooked. So now we add the eggs into it, scrambled eggs into it. Fried. Okay, right now we can try the. Collard green is good. The flavor is good. We can off the stove. So fried scrambled eggs with collard greens. This dish is done, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.